Good morning students. Welcome back to today's session, and I hope you all would have done your test paper. You have solved it, and also addition which we started yesterday, that is our second chapter. So you all would have solved the questions which I gave in the worksheet. So before we begin the second topic, children, our second topic today is subtraction from the same chapter, the 4 operations. Let me explain 2 examples which I gave you in the worksheet. That day I did not explain because it was not so tough or difficult, I must say. I just gave it so that you can also apply your common sense and solve the question. But still today I am revising that so that if you have solved it, you can go through that and you can check your answer. One question was there, children, that add 47526 to the largest 4-digit number. So add 47526, add this to the largest 4-digit number. So 4-digit number we have already studied in the previous class, as well as in grade 4 also, I must say, and in our first chapter. So what is my 4-digit number? So add means I will add here this to this largest 4-digit number. So here what is my 4-digit number is this, and then this you will add. So that question was this only. After that, add and find the sum. Okay, and the next question was that find the sum of the largest 5-digit number and the smallest 5-digit number. So my largest 5-digit number is this, and my smallest 5-digit number is, and add means plus. So this is my largest 5-digit number and this is my smallest 5-digit number. So it was so simple. Only the question was given in the language form, mathematical form was not there. So hope you all would have done this. So after that you would add and you will check your answer. Now coming back to our today's topic, children. Today our topic is subtraction. Today we are going to learn subtraction. Okay, so let us take one example first. First I will begin with very small numbers. Okay, so let me take small number, that is, if I take 37 minus 18 is equal to what? 17 minus 8, how much? It is 9, and then 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, now this you can check your answer by adding also. 9 plus 8 is equal to 17, carry 1, 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3. So this is the way when we do subtraction, we check our answer and find out whether I have solved, my sum is right or wrong. Okay, we will come to that. Let us first understand this. So this I have taken the example of one question of subtraction. Now here first we will learn, children, what is this, and what is this called. Okay, this is called minute. This is called minute. This is called subtrahend. Subtrahend, and the answer what we get, that is called, the answer is called difference. The answer is called difference. So this you need to learn, children. In addition also I taught you the numbers which we add, they are addends, and the answer which we get is called sum. Here both are not same. In addition, both the numbers which we add, they both have the same name, but here they have different name. The number from which another number is subtracted is called minute, and the number which is subtracted from the greater number is called subtrahend. The answer which we get after subtraction is called difference. Now here, children, there is a problem comes. What comes? That you children, and even sometimes we teachers also, we get confused, this is minute or this is minute. Is this subtrahend or is this subtrahend? So for that I will give you one trick to remember this. Okay, so how to remember? Let us take the first letter of each name. So what I am getting here? M, S, D. I made it this capital, that is the reason that I had to explain. M, S, D. M for minute, The greater number from which we subtract is minute. The smaller number which gets subtracted from the greater number is subtrahend, and the answer what we get is D. So this how will you remember in the sequence, not to be confused that which is minute, which is subtrahend. So this is MSD. Now can you guess which cricketer is MSD? Yes, somebody is getting the answer. Correct. MSD Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Okay, so you will not forget the name of Dhoni. So if you remember MSD, MS Dhoni, you will remember the names of all these numbers in a subtraction question. M Mahendra, M minute. The first greater number is minute. S Singh, S for subtrahend. D Dhoni and difference. I hope you will remember this, and these questions, children, you will be getting 100% either in fill in the blanks or MCQ. Like the number which is subtracted from the greater number is called dash. What is it called? Minute. Okay. So this way learn these names of the numbers. Now coming back to the question. So subtraction you all know. So let me give you an example of subtraction. Okay. So I'll take a greater number only for the subtraction. Okay, so my number is subtract. If I give subtract, okay, I am giving subtract. So my subtraction is 1 5 3 8 5 2 minus 4 3 7 1. If it is like this, children, and you have to arrange in column. So again you will ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh is also there. So 2, 5, 8, 3, 5, 1 minus 1, 7, 3, 4. Okay, this way. So you will subtract 2 minus 1, 1. 15 minus 7, 8, 15 you all know. Now regrouping you all know. Now you are in grade 5. So this you must know that this 5 will borrow from 8. This will become 15. So that is regrouping. So 15 minus, here I am writing 15 minus 7 is 8. This became 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. Again this is a smaller number. So this will become 13. It will borrow from 5. Again regrouping. So 13 minus 4 is 9. 4 will be copied down. Here is nothing. That means it is 0. And this. So this is simple subtraction. This you all know, and I know you all can do it. But when the question is like subtract 1 5 3 8 5 2 from 203,291. Here children, you cannot copy and simply start subtracting, because here from is written. And what does this from means? From means you have to subtract this number from this. Okay, if I ask you take out your pencil from your bag, that means the pencil will be taken out from the bag, not the bag taken out from the pencil. So here from means I have to subtract this number from this. So first this number will be written, and here also you have to take care that greater numbers are always up, because this is smaller number. See, here is 20,000, sorry, here is 2 lakh and here is only 1 lakh. Okay, so we cannot subtract 2 lakh from 1 lakh. So this will be written first and then we will arrange this way. Again I will repeat, start arranging from ones place. Then 8, then 3, then 5 and this way we will find out 11 minus 2, 9, and then 8 minus 5, 3, again 11 minus 8, it will be 3, 11 minus 8, 2, 3, then this will be 2, let me write here. 11 minus this, then 8 minus 5, 3. Okay, yes, now this is 12. 12 minus 8, 4. This became 2. Again, this cannot borrow from this. This became 9. This became 12 minus 3. How much? 9. And 9 minus 5 will be 4. And this will be 0. It is 49439. This is the answer. Okay, so here you have to take care that whenever it is written from, first this number will be on the top and then this number. Hope the subtraction is clear to you. So subtraction you all know, so many times you all have solved the questions from very means lower class. Now we are coming back to properties. As I have explained in addition also, in subtraction also we have three properties. Property number 1, when we subtract 0 from a number, we get the number itself. This I will give you the example with not very large number, with small numbers. Okay, suppose 39. When 1 is subtracted from a number, we get the predecessor of that number. What was in addition? When 1 was added to a number, we get the successor of that number. Here it is just opposite. When 1 is subtracted from a number, we get the predecessor of that number. First property. Second property is that when 0 is subtracted from a number, we get the number itself. When 0 is subtracted from a number, we get the number itself. And the third property is when the number is subtracted from itself. If the given number is subtracted from itself, we get the difference as 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 1 lakh minus 1 lakh, 0. Okay. So these are the three properties. When 1 is subtracted from a given number, we get the predecessor of that number. When 0 is subtracted from a number, we get the number itself. When the number itself is subtracted from the number, we get the difference as 0. Okay, again and then let me repeat, when two numbers are subtracted, so the bigger number is called minuend, the smaller number which is being subtracted is called subtrahend, the answer which we get after subtraction is called difference. Okay, and when we add the difference and the subtrahend, we get the minuend. That is way we can check our subtraction. How to check? Like first I will take my difference and I will add it to the subtrahend and I will get this. So this way you can check your answer. You will get the question, subtract and check your answer. So this way we can check our answer. Okay. Hope subtraction is clear to all of you. Learn its properties and learn the name minuend, subtrahend and difference. Thank you children. This much for today, and whichever questions you will be getting in the worksheet, solve it and practice. Good day.